For over 80 years, we at SEW-EURODRIVE have been defined by reliable products, superior service, and knowledge in small drive-based operations. And now we're scaling that same level of excellence to a line of massive products. Our state-of-the-art facility in Wellford, South Carolina is designed from the ground up for industrial solutions, allowing us to assemble larger products with more customization and shorter deliveries to meet our customers' needs, no matter the size or scope. We know your company's machines are vital to your work, and we understand that downtime means losing money. We minimize turnaround by stocking our facilities with the parts needed so that we have what you need when you need it, and servicing and assembling our products right here in the USA. So whether you're ordering a brand new product or need maintenance on the ones you have, we are dedicated to getting you what you need fast. Our infrastructure is carefully and intentionally designed around your needs. We think global and act local, with a state-of-the-art facility that provides a diverse product portfolio, short lead times, and service for the life of your product. SEW-EURODRIVE, driving the world.